I've been exploring the FIXD mobile app for a while now, and this video is my honest and unbiased review on the same. I'll cover all the main points from key features to risks and considerations, so by the end of this video you'll have a better understanding of the FIXD mobile app. First, let's look at what the FIXD Scanner app promises. FIXD markets itself as an easy-to-use diagnostic tool that pairs with a small Bluetooth OBD-II sensor, helping you understand what's going on under the hood of your car. Instead of vague check engine lights, the app translates trouble codes into simple language, telling you the problem, the severity, and even the potential cost of repair. For drivers who aren't mechanically inclined, that's a huge plus, since it bridges the gap between technical jargon and everyday understanding. Now, what about the reliability and accuracy of the scans? From my experience, FIXD does a good job identifying common issues like oxygen sensor failures, misfires, and emissions-related problems. The reports are straightforward, and you can clear error codes right from the app. However, it's important to note that FIXD isn't a replacement for a full professional diagnostic tool. More advanced or manufacturer-specific codes may not always show up, which means mechanics might still uncover issues that FIXD doesn't. Let's also talk about the user experience. The app is clean, simple, and intuitive. Pairing the sensor with your phone via Bluetooth is fairly quick, and the dashboard gives you a clear overview of your car's health. You can even connect multiple vehicles, which is convenient if you're managing a family fleet. That said, some features like repair cost estimates and maintenance reminders are useful, but others feel locked behind premium subscriptions. Depending on how much value you place on extra features, this could be a pro or a con. On the security side, FIXD doesn't raise major red flags. Since it primarily reads diagnostic data from your car, there's little risk of sensitive personal information being compromised. Still, as with any app, it's worth being mindful of what permissions you grant. Now for the negatives. While FIXD is affordable upfront compared to professional scanners, the app's push toward premium subscriptions can feel a bit limiting if you expected the one-time hardware purchase to cover everything. Also, while the plain language error explanations are helpful, they can sometimes oversimplify the issue. In other words, FIXD tells you what's wrong, but not always how urgent it is beyond a minor, moderate, or severe label. Overall, FIXD is a solid choice for everyday drivers who want a simple and affordable way to monitor their car's health. It won't replace a professional mechanic's diagnostic tools, but it can save you time, money, and uncertainty by giving you a clearer idea of what's wrong before you head into the shop. If you're looking for a balance of convenience and affordability, FIXD is worth considering. Just keep in mind its limitations if you need deeper diagnostic capabilities. That's all for this video. I hope you found this video helpful. And if you did, make sure you give this video a super thanks by clicking on the heart icon to help support the channel, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button. We'll see you in the next one.